So what's the number one thing that you can do today to add more value to your rental property? I'm going to break it all down for you in about 60 seconds right on this whiteboard. Let's get it.
You won't believe that. I got lots of dough. You won't believe that though. Grab a rack, stack it up, yup. Let's play tic-tac-toe. Picture that when I'm in the rows and I pick up post. Money talks when I hit your...
So let's get right into it. This is the number one strategy that you can use to add value to your rental property. And the overarching concept is it's called density. We want to add density to our properties. The number one thing that you can do is add more bedrooms or bathrooms to the property. Changing the composition of the property is how we add value and get a higher ARV, after repair value, improving that property, getting us more money if we're doing that BRRRR strategy and we want to refinance out of this deal. So this is the typical setup of a 3-bed, 1-bathroom property if we're looking at the first floor. We can always add value to the first floor typically because we have this traditional setup. We have a kitchen, we have a dining room, and then a living room, and then this is the front door, right? So this is our traditional setup that we're always dealing with on row homes. When we go into this row home and we want to add value and add density to it, especially if we're doing something like Section 8 where they're paying us by the bed, the first thing we want to do is demolish this entire first floor and start to flip these positions so that we can get more money out of the property with density. Really fast, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment in the comment section that says I subscribed. For everyone who leaves that comment, I'm going to send you instant access to my free real estate training that shows you how to acquire properties for pennies on the dollar all across the country. You don't want to miss out on that free offer. So I'm going to flip the kitchen into the dining room, and then I'm going to take the dining room and the living room and combine them. I'm going to make it a bit smaller and tighter. I might even go with that eat-in kitchen type of look where you have an L-shaped kitchen with a breakfast bar, and then you're right into the living room, dining room area. We're going to kill the dining room essentially because think about it. Most people aren't eating together like they used to 20, 30 years ago. People are eating on their own. People are on their laptops. They're doing their work. It's just a different environment. So you're reformatting these properties to meet people's needs today. So when I do that, I'm going to free up space here, right? So this is version 2, version 1, version 2 of what we're dealing with. When I free up this space by putting the kitchen here, flipping it into the middle of the property, and then combining this living room, dining room, I now have space for a bedroom where the kitchen was. This is called the kitchen flip. So once I do that kitchen flip, I've now turned a 3-bed, 1-bath into a 4-bed, 1-bath, or a 4-bed, 1.5 bath. If I can fit a half bath, maybe somewhere here. And what that's going to do for my ARV is it's going to take a, let's call it like $150,000 property, and now it's going to be worth $240,000, even though this renovation may only cost me 10, 20 grand. So I can now target properties that are much lower in cost and go in doing this quick kitchen flip strategy, and I can make a lot of money because I can produce, what's this, about $90,000 spreads with this strategy. So this is just one of the strategies that I'll utilize to maximize the density of a property and get more ARV on it for my BRRRR strategy. There are a lot of more strategies that I will teach you in my 100 Keys Masterclass. So make sure if you're not involved in the masterclass or you don't have advanced mentorship that you click the link below this video, connect it to this video, and fill out an application, get a free copy of my 24/7 cash flow playbook, my free bonus training where I break a lot of this down for you in more detail and I give you even more value so that you can get out and start implementing these strategies today. And if you're really advanced and you want to fast track yourself, we'll do a complimentary one-on-one coaching call where I can break down a game plan for you individually and get you to the next level. I'll see you guys on the next training. Once again, Brian Grimes, your real estate mentor, signing off. And as an extra bonus for sticking around, I'm going to give you instant access to my 24/7 cash flow playbook and 5-step 30-day bonus training where I break down in detail the exact strategy that I use to acquire and full gut renovate over 300 rental properties in less than 5 years. I'm also going to extend access to a complimentary one-on-one coaching call. That session allows me and my team to diagnose your business and show you how you can fast track your success by tapping into our done for you model. So if you want to claim these free gifts, go ahead and just click that link and schedule your free coaching call. But these slots fill up quickly, so you definitely have to move fast.
lots of dough, lots of dough, lots of dough. Leave that dough, lots of dough, lots of dough, lots of dough. Leave that dough, lots of dough, lots of dough, lots of dough. Leave that dough, lots of dough, lots of dough.
You won't believe that dough. I got lots of dough, lots of dough.
Won't believe that dough.
I got lots of dough, lots of dough.
You won't believe that dough.
Ooh, I got lots of dough, lots of